Alrighty, FFIE. You either love it or you hate it. This one is just it had a monster move, guys. It's gonna cool off. I expect it to cool off. So we're gonna go over what the system tells us. How do we avoid FOMO, and how do we catch the bottom? That is the secret in trading, and everyone knows buy low, sell high. When a stock rises up a lot, it gets really risky. What you guys got to do is you got to do reverse psychology. When a stock is going up, you need to be scared. When a stock is going down, you need to be more reluctant to buy. But you don't just buy every dip, because as you can see, if you bought way up here, I mean, look how much this back holding would be in. But you got to buy precise entries. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking at for FFI, how I predict this thing to pump, which areas to pump using this simple strategy that anybody can do. And if you're just like, wow, I'm just so heavy in FFIE, I'm going to be holding this for years, just take a minor loss, or take a loss, learn from it, and trade stocks that can compound your account, month after month. That way, you can do your trading journey. Because I see too many people saying I can't trade till FFIE. That's not true, guys. I mean, I took some losses. I cut the band-aid off, and I said, well, what did I mess up on FFIE? And then that's just what you have to learn from it. With this system, you get precise entries. You find bottoms, you find bottom reversals, and you know where price tends to go to. So what I like to show you guys is the three middle bands are your EMAs. The upper red band is a sell zone. The bottom band here, I like to use as a buy zone, and you look for price to get close as possible. Why did FFIE pumped? Is because of due to the multiple things, but due to mostly the algos are going to revert it to the mean. Did we have to go to the EMA 20 on this amount of time? No, we did not have to hit this blue band here. Were we going to hit the EMA 5 at the very least? Absolutely. And I'm going to show you guys, this was just an insane move. If we went from the lows of this all the way to the highs, a 300% gainer move. It was absolutely beautiful, guys. I mean, this is insane. I mean, it was just a monster freaking move. 300% from the very lows. Obviously, you're not going to get the whole move. You're not going to get the exact bottom. But what I saw with FFIE is, if you look at this purple band, the EMA 5, you had this split. You never buy before the split. You always wait for before a split. If you're ever wondering, if you're like, oh, it might pump before the split, don't even worry about that. Buy it after the split, because 9 times out of 10, I see it dump like a day or two, and then it pumps. Most of the biggest pumps happen after a reverse split. Let me show you guys why this was a beautiful setup. One, we were near the ATR4, this bottom band here. It was due for massive probability of the bulls pumping, and we haven't touched the EMA 5 in 1, 2, 3. If you can clearly see, there's not a single candle touching the 5 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 daily candles. So you knew you had to wait for after the reverse split. Anything you bought near the ATR4 here, you're going to make massive money, even to the EMA 5. I mean, let's just say you're a very conservative player like me, and you took the gains here. You're at 65% to the EMA 5. Let's say you take it to the EMA 10. You are at 125% gains. And then obviously, the only way you're going to get this move is if you scaled out, had a trail stop, and then 222% from the EMA 20. Now, I repeat, algos will hit EMA 5, 10, and 20. It has to. It will. It's a guarantee. Look at all the price history with FFIE. Price moves in waves. When you had this overextension, I didn't like FFIE at all up in this no man's. But when the band started coming together, you had the reverse split had to be done. You're near the ATR4, this bottom green band. You had time distance away from the EMA 5. It was literally one of the most simplest and basic ways to play this thing. Look at the massive volume had. You had decent volume. Retail traders are sucked into this. This thing is going to go up big. We knew not to buy it at the sell band. Anybody that got lured into this and on the YouTubes, everyone was like, FFIE is going to $10. Keep buying, keep buying. And I made so many videos. I said, caution. I repeat, caution. This thing is going down fast. It's going to hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. And I always try to predict make videos before the move happens. When I made an FFIE video, it was in this time frame, and I was saying this is due for a massive pump. And it was. Did I know how high it was going to go? I'm never going to be a cocky trader and be like, oh, I knew it was going to that. No, I did not. I knew that we had to hit the EMA 5. I knew it was very soon. You don't usually see a 13 daily candle not hitting it. Usually 7 daily candles hits it. you were near the EMA 5. So you don't just buy it right off the time distance. Well, you look at it like, okay, I'm near the EMA, the ATR 4. I knew this is due for a pump, and that's really how you take it. You know, when the market gives you money and you're up on your account, you take those conservative gains, you exit slowly, trail stop it, and you see how much you can run it. But I'll show you what the strategy done in the past here. Look at this EMA 20 time distance. Look at this massive time distance, this of not getting filled. Well, how conveniently that the price rushes up to it, wicks above it, and then just plummets down. That was your reversion to the mean. That was the story, the chapter. You know, you're done. Now we have a whole new story to perform. When you hit the 20, you're done. Remember that. You want to get in before that. Look at this bottom band here to a T. Look at this massive returns from the very low to the high. You're up 45%. That is nice returns in a single day. And then we could keep showing this time and time again. What has happened with FFIE, right? You look at this one, bottom band, and what happens? Let's do another thing. FFIE has been religious with my system. It's been awesome. I can't complain about it. Another 60% gains. So yeah, as long as you're buying near the green band, which is my buy signal, and don't worry, I can get your chart to look like this. I have plenty of education. I'll talk more about the stochastic oscillator down here. Because you might be like, well, what's that KDJ? It's one of the best stochastic oscillators you'll find. When you see the stochastic oscillator, when on each candle here, as you can see right here, it's a 12. That's extremely high for pennies. But when you go down here, it says 3.78. That's extremely low. I mean, trust me. Anything below 5 is really good. So we started seeing like, okay, this will never go to 0. It's not like your typical stochastic. You know, I just base it on the K value. It's very brilliant. A lot of people like it. And then we have all these indicators saying it's due for a move. That's how you get good probabilities. So right now it's at the EMA 20. Do we know where it's going to go? I have absolutely no idea. My guess is as good as yours at this point. Could it go down? Absolutely. Can it go up? Yes. I want to make sure this forms a new story. I want this to have time distance away from the 20, the 10, the 5. I want to make sure, you know, do we get near the lower band here? Probably not, because that's a negative number. But yeah, as of now, for anybody that's struggling with FFIE, I'm telling you, I'm going to show you guys a system. This is just a teaser of how you can guys make profitable, you know, make money all the time and do trading full time doing this one extremely simple strategy. If you guys want to join the Discord, hit the link down below in YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you have an Android user. If you have an Android, avoid scammers. I'm never going to trade your account. A lot of people try to be like, oh, I'll trade your account. No, I'll never DM you first or trade your account. If you want to subscribe, hit the server shop on the top left. And you'll see I offer 2 services. What I just talked about was the Swing Trading Plus. You're going to want to try the Day in Swing Trading Plus for only $6 more. For $12 a month, you get access to all my alerts, entries and exits. You get access to my education, ongoing education, future education, my live streams, my journal right here, where you can see my high win ratio. Over 95% of my trades have won doing this simple strategy. As long as you watch the videos, my accumulation rules are super important to watch, because remember, it's impossible to get the exact bottom, but if you know how to properly accumulate, you accumulate the dips and you're patient and you can control your emotions, I have no doubt you guys can be professional traders. I have no doubt. A lot of this is keep it simple, stupid. You know, a lot of people try to overcomplicate and be like, I can never be a trader. I promise you, you can. It's not as complicated as it seems. The more the battle is one, finding a good system that works. Well, you have it. This is a system that works. It's back tested. It's made me a full-time trader. Second is controlling your emotions. Can you control what your emotions? If you know this system works and you've done this, and people have been in my Discord know this system works, they see time and time again that I keep winning because it works. So definitely join the Discord. I think you guys are gonna like it. It's only $12 a month. If you don't like it, cancel anytime. But I'm pretty sure you'll be a profitable trader. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments and description. It'll take you there. But this is FFIE, guys. Congrats whoever got in on it. Nice little move up there for you guys. I was calling that out. That was beautiful. All right, hope to see you guys in the Discord. Like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.